Have you taken pre-cage?
I haven't, no.
Okay, do you take any pre-workouts?
I do, yeah.
Okay, so take this about 40 minutes before your workout, okay? It's got no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, no ACE, no dyes. So, you know, we try to merge the health industry with the sports performance industry, you know? So,
Awesome.
there you go, all patented ingredients.
Thank you.
Oh, okay, no worries. Go on, get your words out, get your words out. Have you taken too much pre-workout this morning?
I'm like shaking.
Too much pre-workout, girl. All right, guys, Kris Gethin, we are finished here on the booth. It's been an insane morning. So now I'm going to go and try to clear my head. We're going to go and find Neil Hill if we can get to the exit. We're going to go over and meet him at the hotel, take our pre-cage and get psyched up for this workout because we have shoulders today. Going to be hitting some lower abs as well, but we're going to be annihilating shoulders with some intensity. So let's get our asses out of here. Let's go.